guys. Today we'll be playing some Animal Crossing, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Also, is that a good angle? Does it look really laggy? I'm sorry, I really don't know how you record stuff on the Switch. And someone said something about how using a device to record is not bad quality, so I don't get it. Also, turnips for Sunday, the price was 110 in my place. So I did not buy it. Yeah, portable radio. I actually have 2 portable radios, one in my bedroom, the other one in my living room. There are other audio players out there, like record players, that you can use as well. I don't get it. Just imagine listening to your favorite songs whenever you want. You can purchase music to use those audio players from Look Shopping. Keep a sharp eye out. That's all from me. Bye now. Guys, it was Cherry's birthday. I might have said that already before, but it is. Yeah. It's so cold. Oh, that's me. I'm also going to actually use my brain, and I'm going to get a jacket. I'll be right back with you soon. And we are back. Yeah, I'm very, very warm now. What's in the mail? We got Happy Home Academy. Blah, blah, blah. Favorite everything, I'm so kind. Blah, 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 blah. Wait, who actually does this the most? Aubrey and Eva always do it, like, what about my other videos? I mean, I guess they are newer, but, oh, I don't have my knit. I forgot to make a knit. I got this fairy tale umbrella. I bought it from the shop. I really need a knit. What materials do you need for a knit? I'm just gonna guess. Oh, I didn't mean to get that. I meant to get the tree branches. And I'm guessing eye nuggets. I don't think it's done. Oh, I really need a knit. Oh, I keep seeing all that. Why am I even doing this to myself? Oh, I forgot to play yesterday! Good thing I didn't get turnips. Oh my god. I mean, how much money do I have? That's my savings. I'm broke. I'm broke. I am broke. Checked everything over here. I don't want this place to be 10, but I don't really feel like playing the game. You know what? We should probably actually play the game. Oh, we can make a false door plate now. This game. Wait, what did I just craft? I think I crafted something very random. I crafted another shovel. I crafted a shovel. attention to what I was crafting. That explains it, okay? Haha! I was right, you do need that stuff. Maybe I was wrong. I wasn't really paying attention that much again. Yeah, by Tom Loco was just a little grading too. Yeah, to make you feel happy. I'm so happy too. We all share the love. I'm doing it a grade too. Why am I doing this to myself? I barely have any emotions. Like, I have the shiniest one. I think that's my newest one. And I'm not gonna just stick around and show you all of them. Oh, I keep forgetting to water my... I keep forgetting to actually play the game. Like, I also forgot to water the flowers. Okay, today is nice. Oh no, I forgot that my... Wait, I should probably put some stuff away. But I'm gonna get my watering can. I would favorite it, but I already favorite it to all the other more important stuff, so. Oh, I didn't do this one. Oh, that's how you do all of them, that area. Watering can break. Watering cans can break! Yo! How do you make watering cans, dude? Wait. What am I even doing? Oh, yeah, I'm trying to get my net to catch something. Guys, watering cans can break. What do you need for watering cans? I'm just trying to explore. You need softwood and iron nuggets. Wait, I accidentally tried. Oh, because. Okay. I see that, but I think I'm going to have to get rid of my storage first. I have so much stuff I'm holding. I literally hate it. So I accidentally made a flimsy shovel, like how I have also one time accidentally made a shovel and I put it right in that spot because for some reason I thought I was making an axe. It was a normal shovel that wasn't flimsy. These are my spare DIY recipes. As you can see, I don't have a lot. I kind of know most of them. I heard that you can sell DIY recipes. I'm just like, oh, I thought you couldn't. But that's just spilling me. This is the storage room. I'm locking the area though, so no one can go to my storage room and steal my stuff. They can steal my very precious and expensive fish. I don't mind them doing that, but they cannot get my storage stuff. Which is probably less work all combined than this one. It probably costs less all combined than this fish. I don't make sense. I'm not making sense today. Wait, why am I don't know. I'm putting my stuff on the storage. I got a present. Oh yeah, for my mail. What's this? Let's hang it on the wall. No! Ah! I wanna go here. Hang it on this wall. It's a little cringe. Okay, I'll put it here because it's kind of like very welcoming. No, not there. On the roof. Can you not put it on the roof? Ah, that looks good. Ooh, I might want to actually get money to try and get another room. I don't really feel like it. I have a way to empty my storage. I might dedicate an entire video to doing that. Oh, I'm gonna keep my. Oh, it's not raining. Oh, in place. Okay, I'm placing it. There was also a different type of umbrella that they also had. I forgot what it was called though. Oh, and there's my big tuna. You know, that tuna, I used to think was really big, and the blue melon I kind of sold before giving it to museum. But yeah, we're not going on a fishing trip. Just chill. Not on a fishing trip. What's the for okay. What do I really not want? Will my watering can break? Now I'm sad. Softwood. I have softwood. I'm just collecting all the useless stuff that for some reason I put there. Yeah, those are my materials. I'll bring another stack of softwood. Yeah. It's not the biggest, it's not the brightest, I know, but I want to fill my softwood up to 30, so when it doesn't, I'm just going to go boop. But we can right now. Yeah. So I can actually do that soon, eventually. Last time at Animal Crossing, I think I was gathering materials. Oh, Diva, you're beautiful. Diva's my favorite because Diva is actually kind. Cherry. She's always like, oh, I'm so brilliant. Oh, I'm so brilliant. Oh, I'm so brilliant. It gets a little annoying, you know? That not might be my cousin's reason why he doesn't like it, but that's my reason, okay? Don't bully it. I'm not one of those people that goes like, oh, don't respect my reason. It's mine and I get to choose. I'm just like, my reason is cool. I like my reason because it's cool. Yeah. And yeah, it's cool. I just want to place this the exact same spot that my other floor light was placed. Ah! Finally. Look at my 2 floor lights. Diva, you're awesome. This is why I'm doing this. Well, I might actually just get the brightness in her eyes. I don't know. Ah! Diva, you're my best friend. Oh, I want these peaches. And then shovel. It's shovel time. Ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ah! Okay, Tony, I'm going to be doing this. Oh, and Christine watches these too. Okay, if you don't let me say your name, then that's just bad luck, okay? Christine, if you have like rules, like, oh, I don't want that to happen within, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? But this has just been right off the spot, so. Yeah, I gotta dig this up. Ah! can't get the last one. I don't know what happened there, but... Oh, I get knocked miles from doing it. I like that idea. I sometimes just do this until the shop closes at 10. And if I'm still playing and I still want to keep playing, I just go on stuff like fishing trips, collecting shells, collecting fish bait. By that I mean the materials needed. Yeah, like how I just collected a shell, a little bit like that. And I always like to keep the shells because sometimes they give you nook miles from selling shells. But if I do have like a lot of shells, then I never actually do that. Oh, an olive flounder. I used to not know the difference between an olive flounder and a dab, but I'm not that dumb anymore. What insects need I got? Wait, what is that? It's okay. I was gonna go like, oh, that looks so cool. That looks so cool. Also, haven't I already given the snake? Have I given the snake already? I didn't really check. The snail, yeah. What if I'm not given that I actually have already caught? Because I actually have done this. And it's obviously the last one that I check. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, this is the dwarf roach. Oh, I got the pillbug from inside a rock or something, eh? And there's also this like worm kind of thing that goes out from the rock. And there was a snail that was on the rock. Is it like... Does that happen at exact time, at an exact day? Because that day I saw tons. And I've never actually seen them until then. So what are you going on about? Oh, I'm kind of running out of tree branches. Oh, I have tons. I have tons. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Do I have any hardwood? Why do I have extra? Oh, from my collecting kind of thing. Softwood. I do. I know. I want to just keep my softwood for now. Really buying nuggets, yeah. I kind of took the iron nuggets though. I actually need to get my rocks, get some stone, get some iron nuggets, get some clay. Play some gold nuggets. Like, I don't know what's so precious about gold nuggets. Probably gonna give them all to my cousin until I find out what they actually are. I'll Google it. I'm gonna Google it. I don't know how long I want to make this. I might make it to like, because it has like a timer. I'll do like 27 minutes because it doesn't show the film that I clipped before my jacket because that's two separate films. I'm just kind of planning to edit it all coming through. This is how I dig. You always have to have your two holes there. And I used to have like my two holes like here and I was in the middle and I'm just getting the rock. But I always kind of fell this way or fell that way. But if you do this corner, you see a really big gap. But you can actually not go really through it. Oh, I really want that present. It's going to go to river. I don't want that. I want to wait for it to go past the river. Because I don't want it to drop into the river. Let's drop into the river now. I'm not taking my chances. Now I am. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen. Ah! Slingshots can break. I have learned so much today. Oh, I know. What? What happened? Oh, was it for tools broken? I think it's for broken tools because you get that from. No. Okay. But you do get knocker miles from tools breaking. I'm pretty sure there is that achievement. Also, I spaced that. So I need to get tons of stuff. How do you make slingshots? Tools. Do you buy them? Or have I like not unlocked the thingamajiggy? I want to hunt for this treasure. Okay, not anymore. I'm going to sell some of my stuff. It's probably going to give me like $1,000, but I don't care. I just want to get some free storage. I mean, pocket space. Like, it's just overflowing, and it doesn't give me lots of money. I just want to get this over and deal with quicker. I always save my money for turnips. I don't know why, I just feel like it. And then once I have that money, I sell it for turnips again. Yeah, that's really all I got. That's gonna give me like 2,000, because there is fish. I was $60 away. I was $60 away. Oh, just past the 20-minute mark of when I first got my jacket. Mom, I'm doing a YouTube video. Okay. Oh, they're such a cute bed. I wonder how much they'll cost. $50. Tell me I'm right. I want to be close at least. They're gonna give me so much presents. I'll try to give that to someone. $3,000. I'm gonna keep guessing like this. Last one. Well, what the heck is this? 4,000? 4,000? But it's electricity though, and $300 in Japan is New Zealand $3. I didn't get this game. What's this radio? Let's go for solid. 1,000. So this is more money than a simple light switch. 1,000. What? I thought it was 1,000. I'm so smart. Wait, isn't there something that you can buy over there? Oh, I thought there was. I go away from me. You guys not loved. I want my slingshot. Might have like the strong type of slingshot. Ooh, an elephant, watering kind of. I'll get a colorful slingshot. I lost all my money. I'm so happy. Nope, don't even. Yeah, I bought my slingshot. It's colorful. It sounds interesting. Oh, gold nugget! I don't know what gold nuggets are for. I really don't. Yeah. Though I guess I'm really just gonna. Oh, what broke here? A watering can. Okay. And I'm gonna also waste my money on the good watering can. Oh, my money's gone. So sad. Haha, I'm crying. I'm crying. I planted a money tree. That should. Oh, wait, what? I thought it was. I hate this. Oh, I have to talk to people. I mean, that should be easy. I took a picture. Oh, I from the. Okay. Give me free note miles from literally doing nothing. That wasn't even a good memory. I'm off. Is that time? There was common butterflies literally just before. Oh my gosh. I was witnessing it happen. Saw clumps of weeds. I'll get my weeds and my fossils. See if I spot any villagers along the way. Yeah. No? You're gonna believe me like that? Yeah? Okay. Sure. I just want you to know that you're not loved. Okay. I don't know where Diva is. Diva's exploring though, that's all I know. Put my stuff away. Whoa. Oh. I was gonna make the watering can, but then I now have a super watering can. It's very, very super indeed. I'm gonna need money to make up for that. For this big useless spend. Yeah, that explains it. From me saying big useless spend. I should probably get another slingshot just in case. Bird bath. Doesn't that belong to Diva? Because Diva's actually precious. Put this in storage. Okay, I'm going. Bye. Oh, wait. Didn't I come there to get stuff? Not to put stuff away? Yeah, I was. Okay, going back. Going back. Okay, we need to sell clumps of weeds. Oh, I don't have enough weeds. I need more weeds. It says 20. I want to do exactly 20 because I'm poor on weeds. Plus, I haven't been spotting any weeds, so now I'm sad. No. I just want like weeds for to sell, but I'm poor on weeds because weeds haven't been appearing. I'm too good at looking for the weeds straight away, like, But now it's the time to actually sell a bit of my weeds. I get money, I get Noka miles all at the same time. That's why I never sell my clumps of weeds until something like that happens. I do never get any money, barely get any profit, but still. Weeds, 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 weeds. And I also came here to get fossils. I always like have tons of fossils, and I just saved the fossils up for when this happens because I'm just that type of person. Also, what are fossils doing over there? When did I put that there? Maybe when I was like rushing to do stuff like okay. Oh, I went past the timer. We will do this in the next video. I will shoot it like sometime soon. I don't know. See you guys next time. Bye.